Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to share something deeply personal with you, something that changed the way I see the world, the way I live my life, and the way I chase my dreams. It's the story of how buying a supercar completely transformed my life. But before you roll your eyes and think this is just about luxury and speed, let me assure you, this is about something much deeper. This is about a shift in mindset, a commitment to excellence, and a tangible reminder of what happens when you refuse to accept mediocrity. For years, I lived with a dream in my heart but hesitation in my mind. I told myself that true success, real achievement, was reserved for someone else, someone luckier, someone more connected, someone with an advantage I didn't have. I worked hard, but I always found reasons to play it safe, to wait, to put off the big risks and the bold moves that could change everything. Then one day, I made a decision. I stopped waiting. I stopped making excuses. I stopped letting fear dictate my choices. I told myself that if I was serious about success, about living life on my terms, I had to start acting like it. I had to step into the life I wanted, not wait for it to come to me. That's when I set my sights on my dream car. Not just as a status symbol, but as a commitment to push beyond my limits, to demand more from myself, and to prove that I was capable of achieving what once seemed impossible. I knew that if I could make this happen, I could make anything happen. When I finally walked into that showroom, when I placed my hands on the wheel for the first time, I felt something I had never felt before, a sense of ownership over my destiny. The sleek, aerodynamic lines, the soft leather seats, and the raw power beneath my feet, it was an experience that made everything feel tangible. It wasn't just a car, it was the physical embodiment of my discipline, my perseverance, and my refusal to settle for less. Driving that supercar wasn't just about speed or luxury. Every time I started the engine, it reminded me of who I had become, someone who takes action, someone who embraces challenges, someone who refuses to let doubt win. The roar of the engine was a statement, a symphony of success, a reminder of how far I had come and how much further I could go. The car wasn't the achievement itself, it was proof of what I could accomplish when I believed in myself enough to go all in. People began to notice the shift in me. Not because of the car, but because of the energy I carried. I walked differently. I talked differently. I carried myself with the confidence of someone who knew their worth. And that confidence led to even bigger opportunities, business deals, connections, and new ventures I had never imagined before. The car became a magnet for high-level conversations, a bridge to people who shared my ambition, and a tool that helped me create even more success. But the most important lesson? This journey wasn't really about a car. It was about setting a goal so big that it forced me to level up in every way. It was about proving to myself that I could take an impossible dream and make it real. It was about learning the discipline of delayed gratification, of making sacrifices today for a better tomorrow, of trusting in the process even when the road felt uncertain. It was about developing the grit, resilience, and relentless focus required to turn vision into reality. Every time I took the wheel, I felt a renewed sense of drive, not just on the road, but in life. I no longer saw limits, I saw possibilities. I no longer hesitated, I took action. The car served as a constant reminder that hard work, belief, and perseverance pay off. It symbolized the power of visualization, of daring to dream big and having the audacity to make those dreams real. So, I ask you, what's your supercar? What's the goal that will force you to become the best version of yourself? What's the thing that will push you to step up, take risks, and claim the life you deserve? Don't wait. Don't hesitate. The moment you decide to chase that dream with everything you have is the moment your life changes forever. Because the only thing standing between you and the life you want is the belief that you are worthy of it.